probably the best man and best friend
To have a best friend.
that you could have.
Might as well be my sister.
You make this the bride.
We're gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of Aaron and Sarah. This is not the beginning of a new relationship, but an acknowledgement of the next chapter in their lives together.
No, I'm your dad, not them. Yeah.
And you jump on here.
How do I look?
Beautiful.
Yep.
Love you.
I love you. Pretty cool, huh? Am I pretty fancy?
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, it's kind of expensive. So.
Yeah.
You and I are taking. Yeah.
Is that the right one?
Oh, well, yeah. Went to the chapel.
Took like 6 minutes to look this good.
Yeah, it took me all day to look this good. Yes, she did. Oh, kind of kiss me.
Sweet laugh, big heart, smile that can light up the dark. Strong faith, close family, choosing love in the midst of tragedy. When I met
Fucking hot bitches.
something changed.
We look good.
Better with you than I'll ever 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. 'Cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life. West towards the city, grew up fast and got a little gritty. We found love, worked hard, bought a house with a big backyard. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. 'Cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life. Gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. 'Cause you're my love, my
Beautiful yesterday. Not my words. Aaron, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
Aaron, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
With the following pledge.
With the following pledge.
To love you today.
To love you today.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Always.
Always.
And forever.
And forever.
Perfect. So, before...
Thank you.
You're welcome. By the state of Oregon, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Oh gosh. Yeah!
Freaking amazing. Your dress is gorgeous.
Back there in the corner, just wave your hand if you can hear me. I love you guys. Thank you. Hey, I'm Mike De La Rosa. I'm the best man. I met Aaron about 5 years ago. I know there's a lot more people here that know him better than me, but I will tell you this and what I know. Aaron's probably the best man and best friend that you could have. I don't have a lot of those. Yeah, I heard you back there. Yeah, you just you need to zip it. We're good. I will tell you this. Thank you. Yeah, so I can see what I'm looking at. You beautiful people out there. I will tell you this. He's faithful. He's faithful as a friend. When I was sick last summer, there's one person that called me every day to check in on me, and that was Aaron. Love him with all my heart. Please lift your glasses with me today for Aaron and Sarah. Wishing them the best in life, in their journey, in their adventure, from here till eternity. To Aaron and Sarah, love you guys.
When I first moved to Tillamook, I didn't know anybody other than my husband, Mike. And it was, for me, it was really hard to fit in, just not being from here, and it's a really small community. Everybody grew up together and everybody knows each other. When I met Sarah, she immediately came right up to me as if we had known each other forever. She was like, "You're fat and pregnant, I'm fat and pregnant, let's be bitches together." Oh, jeez. Okay. So then she kind of forced a friendship, and here we are, 4 years later. And our boys are best buddies. Let's see, Kendall, Viv, Adri, not sure where she's at. I hope that you guys know how much Sarah loves you and that you guys can always count on her. And if she doesn't answer, just call your dad. Sarah, I'm so glad that you forced yourself into our lives. And even when my husband said he didn't want any friends, look at who's sitting in your wedding party now. I got Mike. While I have 2 sisters of my own, I could have never imagined what it would be like to have a best friend that might as well be my sister. Living in the same town as me, and our boys growing up together. We don't choose family, but we chose each other. Okay. Aaron and Sarah, be kind to each other, be there for each other, and always work as a team, even when you don't want to, or when it's hard. Because no matter what, there are 5 amazing hearts that deserve nothing more than this from their parents. Erin, there are no take-backs now. She's yours. Love her deeply. And please remember, as Mike Rice would say, you're right, I'm wrong. You're pretty, I'm not quite as good looking. I don't have my drink, but everyone please join in raising your glasses as we toast Erin and Sarah. Congratulations, I love you guys.
That was really good. Hey, that's
Time goes by. It's just a measurement we find to help us decide what mattered most inside. But you are different. days in my head. I thought time grows distant. You get closer as time goes and starts again. Breathe in slow. We don't always have to know. It's coming around. Just listen to the sound of the longings. They put in perspective what really matters. Every day that time goes and starts again. So hold on, weary heart. You will learn to love again. Wait and just hold strong. Let the tension set us apart. A love that's worth waiting is what any man.
About that time, marriage advice.
Oh gosh. Marriage advice, go for it.
Let's see.
I want to hear what his answer is.
Marriage advice. Well, pick the right one.
Let's keep the lady happy. Keep her happy.
Marriage advice. Well, here you go. Right here. What do you want to know?
Don't lose sleep when you go to bed angry, because you're going to need the energy to win the arguments in the morning.
Just love each other unconditionally. Love is the way.
Full send.
Good luck, Aaron. That's all I can tell you.
Don't go to bed angry.
Do what the wife says.
I like that! Has anybody said don't go to bed angry? About 5.